Does it seem jumpy to you, or is that just me? I had to use my tacky glue. I had this on there, but then it came off. That tacky glue works great for temporarily holding things, like a glue. Or do you want to like not have it glued? You just pull it apart and take the glue off. It's like rubber cement. Got that at the Dollar Tree. Get a lot of craft stuff there. It's cool. Cut the little corners inside a little bit. Did the inside on the front and the outside on the back. Easy to make. Very easy to make so far. Went together like a glove in a hand. First thing I did was glue this on. I put a couple marks. Let's center it. I've used one of these to set it back so I know how far it has to go. I held it against there while I glued it in. Somebody needs to cut their fingernails. First thing I did actually was glue those three pieces together, and then those three pieces, like two rails. When I did that, I noticed that two of my rails, the short ones, are taller and thinner. See that? They're not the same height. They're taller and thinner. Imagine that. I don't know how or why, but anyways, these two are longer and the same. Put two of them end to end. That's why the angle's in there, because of that angle. You know, face to face. So it's butt joint kind of a thing right there. But I can't understand and know why I can't. It's just, I don't know, it'll come to me someday. One of them, there's three different sets. I don't know if they come in the same kit or not. I can't remember. One of them might be just for the short tank when you put it on a truck, and one might be for the longer tanker. And then this too, I had to straighten the heck out. Oh, I was all bent as shit. Then I angle all the edges. I say not angle, but edge. Edge all my edges. So they're not like sharp points. How many other people go around every edge, inside and out, around that, just to make that nice and round. The suspension was taken from another Mack. This is for a Mack truck, so it'll be pretty cool when I'm done.